Hello good people, I'm going to continue looking at the mean, the median and the mode. I suggest attempting this problem on your own before continuing with this video. So let's look at this. We need to figure out what measure of central tendency represents these numbers the best. And again, I'm going to start by creating a frequency table. So I will have temperature, which will be my x values. I will have frequency, which I'm going to designate f. And I will have an x multiplied by f column, which will eventually give me the sum of all x values. So what are my possible values for temperature? I have 10, I have 24, and I have 25. 10 occurs once, 24 occurs once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 25 occurs twice. 10 times 1 is 10, 24 times 4 is 96, 25 times 2 is 50. That gives me a grand total of 156. This 156 represents the sum of all x values. So now I can calculate the mean. I can calculate x bar. Remember, x bar equals the sum of all x values over n. In this particular case, the sum of all x values is 156 and n is 7. 156 divided by 7 will give me 22.3. And I'm going to round it to a whole number to give me 22 degrees Celsius. So the mean temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. The problem with this value is that if I look at my table, most of the data points, so most of the data collected, is actually more than 22 degrees. The reason I'm ending up with this 22 degrees average is because of this 10-degree outlier. So in this particular case, the mean alone is not necessarily the best representation of the data set. So let's look at the other two. The mode is the temperature that occurs most frequently. In this particular case, that is 24. It occurs 4 times. What about the median? Well, in order to figure that out, I need to list my temperatures in ascending order. So let me do that quickly. I have 7 values, so the median temperature can be determined by inspection alone. It is this value in the middle here. So now I can summarize. The mean is equal to 22 degrees Celsius, the mode is equal to 24 degrees Celsius, and the median is also equal to 24 degrees Celsius. It is the mode and the median that represent the data set the best. Once again, while the mean is the measure that is used the most commonly, it can be influenced by outliers. In this particular case, the outlier is this 10 degrees Celsius measurement. It is quite different from all of the other ones. The mode and the median will not be affected by outliers. However, the mode and the median tend to diminish in importance if your data set is very small. Or to put it another way, the mode and the median become more useful the more data points you have. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.